Hi everyone and welcome to Beet the Rush. Today we're baking roasted butternut squash chocolate chunk cookies. Mix half a cup of light brown sugar, half a cup of granulated sugar, and 150 grams of butter. Mix in 1 egg. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla and half a cup of roasted butternut squash puree. I use my homemade puree that I make by roasting the squash with honey, butter, pumpkin spice and salt. I will link the recipe in the description box below. If you try it with your own puree or regular pumpkin puree, let me know how it goes in the comments. Beat in 1 cup of flour. Then beat in the remaining 1.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of pumpkin spice. Stir in half a cup of chopped dark chocolate. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees and line 2 baking sheets. Using an ice cream scoop, divide the dough into 24 balls and place it in the baking sheets. Bake 1 sheet at a time for 14 minutes or until golden brown. Cool for 5 minutes in the baking sheets and then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. I will link the recipe in the description box below. If you liked this video, I would love it if you gave it a thumbs up. And subscribe for more delicious vegetarian food. Thanks for watching and see you next time.